Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. In today's video, I had a new client who came in. She had been relaxing her hair herself and she needed some help just because she was relaxing and also trimming and cutting her hair herself. So with that being said, it was just a lot going on. So she basically came in for me to correct her relaxer because it wasn't applied correctly all throughout her hair. So she had a lot of different textures, and because of that, she had extreme breakage. So she came in initially for the relaxer fix and a deep conditioning treatment and also a hair trim. But once I looked at her hair, I told her, like, hey girl, you definitely need a haircut. And what I do is just consult with my clients prior. I let her know what I think I should do. She agreed, and then we went from there. But I'm never like one of those hairstylists that forces you to cut your hair. So if she did not want me to cut it, by all means, I would not force her. I would still probably try to trim it some type of way, but I'm very blunt. And I was like, sis, it looks so crazy in the middle, and it's like no way that I could finesse this or curl it to make it look cute. It's just going to be dead. And she was like, you know what? Let's do it. So shout out to you for taking that leap of faith. And also, this was her first visit. So I know a lot of times first timers are like, they don't know what to expect, and they're traumatized from either going to other places. So I just made sure she was super comfortable and sure. And I was like, you know what, let's do it. And she also was super kind enough to let me record. So shout out to you. So because she had a lot of breakage in the center, I just went in and started cutting my initial guideline and shape. This is what I call my rough cut. So I'm just going in, putting in my initial shape that I want. Her hair was a little bit more full and healthier towards the front. So what I was thinking was just doing like an asymmetrical bob that has a little bit of graduation in the back, meaning that it's a little bit higher in the back than it is in the front. And then I'm just going to go in and start to clean up my lines and point cuts. So you guys can just watch and enjoy, and then just watch me transform her hair into a nice, sexy full bob. It was just a little bit thin on the side just because of where she had some breakage, but our goal was to get rid of as much of those dead ends as possible, and also to camouflage her hair. Okay, so in certain instances, if you have a client that doesn't want to add pieces of hair, or that just wants to work with their natural hair, I will try my best to camouflage the hair. But ultimately, you just want to make sure that you are making sure to get rid of as much as you can. And then I let her know in about 2 months to 3 months, when she comes back, we'll go in and do another good trim, so that way we can get rid of those sides and just, as it grows out, blend it a little bit better. So I am aware that it's a little bit more thin on the sides, but once I'm done, you will not really be able to tell. Okay, but we are aware. We're just going to take this into baby steps until we get her hair nice and healthy all over again. So I'm not going to do too much talking. You guys can pretty much watch and just see what I'm doing. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Or if you want to see any other style haircuts, I can definitely do more on like a mannequin or anything. The only thing I can't do on a mannequin is like a short pixie cut, because the hair doesn't lay right on mannequin heads. But if you guys want to see a specific type of haircut or hair transformation, I'm going to be busting out my mannequin. So yeah, just enjoy me doing this bob, and I'm just going to let you guys see how I did this process, and then I will add the end result at the end. And if you've made it this far, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, drop a comment, even if it's some emojis, and then follow me on Instagram at _CassandraOlivia. Anything that I use on my clients are always linked in my description or my Amazon store. For this particular video, I'm not really using too much. I already pressed her hair with my flat irons. They're currently out of stock. So I'm not even going to go through the trouble of tagging them. They're literally under all of my videos. But I'm just using my shears and pretty much my custom cape and a comb. So I wasn't really going to link anything under here. But if you really want to know the products I use, just feel free to go on my Amazon store. Check the descriptions under my videos. 9 times out of 10, I have everything there. So enjoy this video. I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive evening and the rest of your weekend. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.